Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to fix secure folder is not working in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. Suppose if you have set installed secure folder and if you didn't find secure folder, and then you may have frustrated, okay, but secure folder will still be working, and you go to find the secure folder where it is. Okay, for that go to the notification area. Usually you will go to find the secure folder in the home page of your phone, and because it's like an app, okay, already you are created like that, and you will remember that yes, secure folder was previously available here and it's not available now, it's not working. So you might have frustrated in such case. Okay, if you would like to fix this, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the notification area and here swipe from right side to left side again, and here you will find secure folder options. Just click it and it is turned on. Now go to the notification, go to the home page and you will see now secure folders. Just click it and you may have the access to the secure folder, and use pattern to open the secure folder. What pattern you used, draw that pattern and it will be open. So in this way you can easily fix secure folder working or not, secure folder not working in your case. In that case you can easily fix like that. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.